Hello, great people. You're welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Thanks for joining me. Let us make this super delicious assorted meat stew. This is going to be prepared with turkey, beef, and other meats. I'll bet it you're going to love this one. This is so simple, direct, but tastes super delicious. Perfect for your rice, for any kind of swallow, even for bread. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. What I'm adding right now into the pot is what we call cow food. That is a babankano. I'll be adding cow skin. We call it pomo. And after that, I'm going to add beef. They are all well washed already. And into it, I'm going to add well washed turkey wings as well. And what I have here is shaki. Shaki is tripe. So after that, I will add seasoning, salt, curry. I love it. I'll be adding bay leaves, basil, curry, that is fresh curry. What I have here are onion, ginger, and garlic. I'm going to blend it. Okay, I added some water and I blended it. After blending, I just poured it on top of the meat and I mixed them well together. They have to be well combined. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for your comments. God bless you. Now I will boil for 15 minutes without adding water. What I have here are tomatoes, onions, and bell pepper. I blended it, pour it into a pot, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to boil down to reduce the water content. After that, let's check our meat. This meat has been cooking in its own juice for good 15 minutes, so it's now time to mix it well and also remove the turkey wings. They get cooked so easily. All right, I don't want it to get overcooked, so it's now time to remove them. After removing it, I added some water to the meat and allow it to continue cooking. I will not be frying the turkey wings. I'm going to allow the oven to do the job for me. Feel free to fry it. All right, so I'm going to place it in an oven under 200 centigrade for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is what I have. Lovelies, if you don't take your time, you will finish eating all this. It tastes super delicious, but we're cooking still with it. So in a pot, I'm going to pour some vegetable oil. I added sliced onions. I fried it for 2 minutes and then I added tomato paste into this. So I'm just going to mix them well and allow the tomato paste to fry for about 10 minutes. Can you see how it looks after 10 minutes? It's now time to add the pepper mix into it. After adding the pepper mix, I got the meat stock out of the boiled meat and I'll be adding the meat stock into the pepper mix right now. And I added some salt. I added seasoning into it, and what I have here is rosemary. That is optional. I wanted it in it, so I mixed it well. So I'll cover it and allow them to cook. This has been cooking for about 7 to 10 minutes, so I stirred together and it's now time to add the boiled meat into it. Have you subscribed? Please do so. Thank you. After stirring together, I'm going to add chili flakes into it. Remember, I did not add any habanero pepper or chili to the pepper mix, but I wanted spicy. I added chili powder into it, gave it a good mix and allow them to cook for about 5 minutes. Let's check it. Lovelies, can you see it bubbling here? So I gave it a gentle mix. It's now time to add those lovely yummy turkey wings into the stew. Don't mind my pot, okay? So I mixed them gently together and I'm going to allow them to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Lovely, tra-la-la. What do you want to rock with this? Do you need rice, swallows? I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.